Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And what have we got for you today? Well, we've got a little update on progress so far on the wee little Paddy Wagon build that we're doing on the Wednesday show. So we've got a bit of the blue going on. We've got Officer Festa driving there with his pork pie hat on. Engines in, wheels are on. So this is the early stages. We got a bit of weathering to do on the bodywork. Inside we got a nice old leather interior going on, and some benches, some steps. I'm going to change the colour of the steps as well to contrast them. And then the other side there. And this is prepped now, ready for the decals to go on. So once they're on, I can mat it down then and start doing what I want on it. But that's kind of where we are at the moment with it. You got a bit of detail going on with the engine there. A bit of the old bluing going on with the exhausts down there, just to give them a bit of character, and a bit of gunk and detritus in and around some of the fittings. So I've got his proper policeman's hat and truncheon to go on the seat next to him, so that's got to be done. Got the radiator and associated gubbins to go on with all the lights. So all in all, it's not a bad little kit. And this is the little Monogram kit, this one, the little Monogram Paddy Wagon. So you've got a bit of the old suspension going on underneath with a bit of dirt and a bit of detritus on it. But yeah, as I was saying, this is the little Monogram kit, and we picked these up because we thought they looked quite quirky little items, and thought that it might interest you guys just to see something different going on the Wednesday shows. So we got them. Like I say, I've got a few more bits and pieces to glue on the upcoming show, and then I'll come back and do a final build reveal on this. And yeah, because I've got a companion for it that I'm going to make. So the next time you see this, it's going to be all completed, but also it's going to have its companion with it, and possibly they might both be on a little vignette or dio, just sitting there doing their thing. So that's where we're at. Hopefully you're enjoying these little update vids. And yeah, I look forward to doing the next one for you. So I'm going to leave it there. Let you have a little looky-loo and see what you think. And yeah, tune in on the next show just to see the decals going on and all of that. And I look forward to seeing you all on the next little update. Until then, see you then, folks. Bye-bye for now.